Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. What is Gameloop? Gameloop is the best Android emulator that you can use to bring many of the popular mobile games to life straight on your PC screen. So right now, I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So, first thing you need to do is open up your Gameloop. And here are all the mobile games that you can play on your PC and even apps in your phone that you can use on your PC. But for now, we're gonna download the Geometry Dash. So just download the Geometry Dash. There you go. And here we are. It's still loading. I'll just cut this part too. And then here we are. We are playing Geometry Dash on our PC, but for a mobile version. There you go, as you can see. We will play Geometry Dash mobile version of Geometry Dash for on PC. As you can see, just click on space. Oh, there we go. Ah, I died. That's how you play. That's how you use Gameloop. Just download anything that you want, and then it will just bring it to your library. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.